1998 Chevy Tahoe, two-door coupe. They need to bring those back in the new ones. It's got aftermarket high-flow catalytic converters, already true dualed. Then what we did, we continued the true dual with a dual-in, dual-out MAGNAFLOW knockoff. Part number MF2468. We'll get you guys a link to one or something close to it. Then on these you have to custom bend the tailpipes to clear everything. As you guys can see, there and there. Because there's no space for nothing. As you guys can see. So we had to custom bend everything. There's the dual in, dual out muffler, MAGNAFLOW. We'll get you either the MAGNAFLOW equivalent into 4-inch rolled tips. We'll put a link in the description for both. The MAGNAFLOW or the knockoff of it. That'll sound about the same. There it is. That's how you guys dual it out. True dual it. Chevy Tahoe, 98. Sound decibels? That sounds pretty good. I like it. And in about 30 days, it'll break in, get a little bit louder. And watch when the muffler warms up, it compacts it a little bit more now. It'll change a little bit more. I like the look of it. That's perfect. Yeah, it's nice and tucked. Chevy Tahoe, two-door. Nice car. I always like that body style. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah. Yeah. I love how when you're watching a cars, you get ideas right away. Yeah, you do need those. It looks so much better with it.